crossbows that are at another level redefine performance and innovation in hunting. Featuring cutting-edge technology, advanced materials, and exceptional draw weights, these crossbows deliver superior power, accuracy, and durability. With enhanced optics, ergonomic designs, and rapid-fire capabilities, they offer unmatched precision and efficiency. For serious hunters seeking peak performance, these crossbows provide an extraordinary edge in the field. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Killer Instinct SWAT XP Crossbow is a high-performance, tactical crossbow engineered for precision, power, and versatility, making it a formidable choice for both seasoned hunters and target shooters. With a blistering speed of up to 400 feet per second, the SWAT XP delivers powerful and accurate shots that are ideal for long-range engagements and hunting larger game. Its sleek, compact design features a robust aluminum frame and a narrow profile, enhancing maneuverability and making it easier to handle in tight spaces or dense foliage. The crossbow is equipped with a precision-engineered trigger system, offering a crisp and consistent pull for improved accuracy, and includes a premium illuminated scope with multiple reticle options for precise aiming in varying light conditions. The SWAT XP also boasts a quiet, smooth operation thanks to its integrated string dampening technology, reducing noise and vibration during shooting to prevent spooking game. The crossbow features a high-strength, adjustable stock and ergonomic foregrip, providing a customizable and comfortable shooting experience. Additionally, the SWAT XP includes a convenient quiver and a set of high-quality arrows, making it a complete solution for serious archers. Its innovative design incorporates an easy-to-use cocking mechanism that simplifies the loading process and ensures consistent performance. Built for durability and reliability, the Killer Instinct SWAT XP crossbow combines advanced features with tactical design to deliver a superior shooting experience, ideal for hunters and shooters who demand both power and precision. Number 4. Mission SUB-1XR Crossbow is a cutting-edge, high-performance crossbow engineered to offer unmatched accuracy, speed, and versatility for serious hunters and archers. Boasting an impressive speed of up to 400 feet per second, the SUB-1XR delivers powerful, consistent shots with minimal recoil, making it ideal for both long-range hunting and precision target shooting. Its compact, ultra-narrow design, measuring just 6.5 inches wide when cocked, enhances maneuverability and allows for easy handling in tight spaces or dense vegetation. The crossbow features a precision-engineered, adjustable stock and a custom-designed grip, ensuring a comfortable and customizable fit for shooters of all sizes. The innovative cam system and advanced limb technology contribute to a smooth, consistent draw, while the integrated string dampening system reduces noise and vibration for stealthy performance. The Mission SUB-1XR comes equipped with a premium illuminated scope that provides multiple reticle options for precise aiming in various lighting conditions, along with a high-quality quiver and a set of premium arrows for a complete hunting setup. Additionally, the crossbow includes an easy-to-use, efficient cocking mechanism that simplifies the loading process and ensures accurate, reliable performance with every shot. Constructed from durable materials to withstand rugged use, the SUB-1XR combines advanced features with exceptional craftsmanship, making it an excellent choice for hunters and shooters seeking a top-tier crossbow that delivers power, precision, and reliability in the field. Number 3. Excalibur Micro 340T crossbow package Realtree timber is a premier choice for hunters seeking a blend of power, precision, and stealth. Engineered to deliver speeds of up to 340 feet per second, this crossbow offers remarkable performance in a compact, lightweight design. The Micro 340TD features Excalibur's renowned compact recurve technology, which ensures a short, maneuverable profile without sacrificing power. Its Realtree timber camouflage pattern provides excellent concealment in various woodland environments, allowing hunters to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. The crossbow is built with durable materials, including a robust machined aluminum rail and a reinforced composite stock, ensuring long-lasting reliability in the field. The package includes a multi-reticle scope for precise aiming at varying distances, as well as a quiver and a set of premium arrows, providing a complete setup for successful hunting excursions. The Micro 340 TD is equipped with Excalibur's advanced safety features, including an anti-dry fire mechanism and an automatic safety that engages when the crossbow is cocked, enhancing user security. Its ergonomic design includes an adjustable cheek piece and a fully padded buttstock for a customized fit and increased comfort during extended use. The crossbow's innovative design and high-performance features make it an excellent choice for both seasoned and novice hunters, offering the power, accuracy, and concealment needed for effective hunting in diverse conditions. Number 2. Tenpoint Shadow NXT is a premier crossbow designed to deliver exceptional power, accuracy, and versatility for serious hunters. Capable of reaching speeds up to 385 feet per second, the Shadow NXT provides a high level of performance that excels in both long-range shooting and precision hunting. Its sleek, compact design features a narrow 6.5-inch width when cocked, enhancing maneuverability and making it ideal for use in confined spaces or dense brush. The crossbow boasts Tenpoint's renowned XTRA technology, which includes a precision-engineered riser and string suppression system that minimizes noise and vibration, ensuring stealthy operation in the field. Equipped with a premium, fully illuminated scope, the Shadow NXT offers multiple reticle options for accurate aiming in various lighting conditions. The crossbow's ergonomic, adjustable stock and foregrip provide a customizable and comfortable shooting experience, while its advanced trigger system ensures a crisp, consistent pull for precise shot placement. The Shadow NXT also features an efficient cocking mechanism that simplifies the loading process and enhances accuracy by ensuring perfect string alignment. The package includes a high-quality quiver and a set of premium arrows, offering a complete hunting setup. Constructed from durable materials to withstand rigorous use, the Tenpoint Shadow NXT combines innovative technology with rugged reliability, making it a top choice for hunters who demand both performance and precision in their crossbow equipment. Whether for hunting or target shooting, the Shadow NXT delivers outstanding results with every shot. Number 1. Ravin R26 Crossbow is a state-of-the-art hunting tool engineered for unmatched power, precision, and compactness. Boasting an impressive speed of up to 400 feet per second, the R26 delivers powerful, accurate shots with minimal recoil, making it ideal for both long-range and close-quarters hunting. Its compact design, measuring just 26 inches in length, offers superior maneuverability, allowing hunters to easily navigate dense forests or confined hunting blinds. The crossbow features Ravin's revolutionary helicoil technology, which utilizes a 12-inch cam system and helical-shaped cams to ensure a perfectly balanced shot and enhance overall accuracy. This technology also contributes to its ultra-narrow 6-inch width when cocked, enhancing stealth and ease of handling. The R26 is equipped with a high-quality illuminated scope that provides multiple reticle options for precise targeting in varying light conditions, along with a premium quiver and a set of Ravin's own high-performance arrows. Its advanced cocking system is designed for effortless operation, allowing users to achieve consistent string alignment and accurate shots with minimal effort. The crossbow's durable construction includes a robust, lightweight frame that can withstand rigorous use while maintaining high performance. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, compact design, and powerful shooting capabilities, the Ravin R26 Crossbow is an excellent choice for serious hunters seeking a top-tier, reliable crossbow that excels in both performance and versatility.